Welcome to 2605 Cross Ridge Way. If you're looking to be in Perrysburg and you want something that's better than new construction, you just found it. This home is spectacular. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, fenced in backyard. Come on inside and take a look. I have no doubt you enjoyed your tour here. Couple things you may not know, this home is located within Perrysburg schools, but one of the nicest things is it's in a small subdivision with sidewalks. So you have the neighborhood that you can walk around, and then one of the other things, there's a trail that takes you right over to Levis Commons. So whether you want to hang out in the neighborhood or just walk over and have a nice dinner, a cup of coffee, go work out, it's all within walking distance. If you have any questions, give us a call. I'd love to give you a tour.